It's another stunning Sunday in Brno. Welcome to round 12 of the 2025 MotoGP World Championship. Let's break down the full race results from a thrilling 21-lap battle in the Czech Republic. First place, Marc Marquez. The number 93 storms to victory again on his Ducati GP25. A flawless performance, finishing with a time of 40 minutes, 4.628 seconds. That's 5 Grand Prix wins in a row. He is absolutely untouchable right now. Second place, Marco Bezzecchi. Riding for Aprilia Racing, he gave everything. Crossing the line just 1.753 seconds behind Marquez. Third, Pedro Acosta for Red Bull. KTM, the rookie does it. His first Sunday podium in MotoGP. Young, fearless, fast. Fourth place, Francesco Bagnaia, the reigning world champion. He pushed hard, but had to settle just off the podium. Fifth, Raul Fernandez, riding for Trackhouse Aprilia. Quiet, but consistent. He delivered where it counts. Sixth, Fabio Quartararo on the Yamaha. Back in the top 6, much needed for the struggling factory. Seventh, Jorge Martin, returning from injury and straight into the points. 8. Fermin Aldeguer for Gresini Ducati. Originally penalized 3 seconds, the time was reinstated. He keeps P8. 9th, Brad Binder on the KTM. Not his flashiest race, solid points. 10th, Pol Espargaro. A late push got him into the top 10. 11th, Jack Miller for Pramac Yamaha. Classic Jack, gritty, determined. 12th, Luca Marini, Castrol Honda. Tough day for Honda, but at least he sees the checkered flag. Unfortunately, no points today for Alex Marquez, Fabio Di Giannantonio, or Taka Nakagami. All 3 suffered DNFs in the opening laps. That's it for the Czech Grand Prix main race. Marc Marquez extends his championship lead. Now, 120 points clear. Can anyone stop the red storm of Ducati?